Are you looking to learn needle felting methods and get desired results for your creations? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I'm going to share with you some needle felting methods that will help you become a better fiber artist. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, Needle Felting Methods. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting videos, have needle felting tutorials, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video, or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. Today, I wanted to share with you 3 needle felting methods that can help you become a better fiber artist. So let's just get right into them. So to show you these 3 methods, I'm going to use some core wool, these felted balls, this felted heart, my needles, and my foam surface protector. And if you want to know anything more about these tools or these items, I will have all the links down in the description below, and you can learn more there. So let's get right into this. So for the first method, just say you're working with your core wool. You're just going to begin a project. Doesn't matter what you're making, whatever you want to make. You are just going to want to pierce your wool straight up and down at a 90-degree angle. This is going to give your object depth and firmness. And when you're getting started with any item you plan to create, you're going to want it firm. For the second method, you're going to want to take your needle felting needle and felt your item at a 45-degree angle. So when you're piercing the wool with a cross angle like this is going to help you smooth out your surface very gently and get all the fibers tucked in really well. Now for this third method, use a very narrow angle for smoothing fibers across your project. So you can see here there's still some shadowing, a little bit of texture and depth between the wool on this heart. Coming through and using a very narrow angle like this is going to help smooth the project out. You can then go and use your 90-degree angle again on it. Help keep that firmness there. Use your 45-degree angle. Get the surface smooth, and then go really narrow and just get all those fibers flattened and tucked in. And make sure you're going straight in and out of the wool. Never go at it at an angle, because then you'll risk breaking your needle felting needle. So whether you're planning to make a felted heart like this, or some felted balls, or maybe even a larger home decor piece, these 3 methods will help make a huge difference in how you felt. Alright, that's it. I hope these 3 methods help you get the desired results that you're looking for with your needle felting creations. If you learned something new and enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if there's something you'd like to see me felt next, drop it down in the comments below. I might just make it. Happy felting, everyone. Bye!